Apple Watch Series 7. Oh my goodness. Where do I
didn't
sit?
catch that. Could you try again?
No. You see, the thing is, Apple Watch Series 7, my Series 4, it's fine, you know, but it's an old design. You see, the thing that was really going to push me to upgrade to the Series 7 was that design. Now, I'm not going to go out and buy a new watch day one. That would be ridiculous. What isn't ridiculous is going out and really looking at the market. What can Apple really do with the Apple Watch going forward? Give it a faster chip. Who cares? You know, add a health sensor. You know, people want glucose monitoring. Apple Watch Series 8 feature. This year is all about that design. And, oh my goodness. Do I have to say any more? That design is incredible. It pushes the boundaries of what we believe an Apple Watch to be. The bigger display, the bigger battery, the better internals, the brighter screen, the better always-on display. This is the year for it. This is the year to buy an Apple Watch if you haven't already.